This is how you're going to create a subdomain in Hostinger. So step one is you're going to log into your Hostinger account and then you're going to open each panel. Now from here, on the left, you're going to click on websites, and then from here, you're going to find your domain and then click dashboard. Now from here in the dashboard sidebar, you're going to click domains and then subdomains. If you only have a domain and no hosting, open domains in your account and use the DNS method. Now step four is you're going to click on add subdomain, type your subdomain name, for example, blog, to create blog.yourdomain.com, and then you're going to hit on confirm. Now then the panel will show the document root, usually public _ HTML/blog, and then you can only change it if you need a custom folder. Now step 5 is you're going to wait for DNS propagation if your name servers were recently changed. It can take a few minutes to 24 hours, and if the domain is external, create the subdomain record at the domain registrar or point the domain to hosting your name servers first. And that's it. That is how you're going to create subdomain in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.